Here we are in the middle of the insulating process. We've been cutting 4-inch wide trenches and pulling scabs up off the roof, and then we'll set them back down and retie them all together by dark. The weatherman's got a nice forecast for us, but all these guys will be sealed up by tonight. And they're saying we have a 10-inch cavity, which will, when all total filled, give us R38 across this roof before we put any of the other insulation on the top of the roof. My crew's over here cutting these strips every 4 to 6 feet. Giving these boys room to drill their holes, and then we're coming back and torching over all these strips by the end of the day. Good to have work going, boys. This is a nice, demanding, high-tech job that we're working on today.